We know you are tired. Well, sorry, we have to vlog this. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. I miss you as much as you miss me, and if you don't miss me, okay, no problem. So today I just want to carry you guys along. We are going to Erin-ijesha, myself and the other core members around. So it's going to be fun, and I thought let me just carry you guys along so you can just view and follow us, go along with us on this vlog, and see you guys in the next one. Like, there's no next one, like in the following vlog. I don't know if this video is making sense, but I try to, the noise, ignore the noise. Those people are excited to go. All right, bye. Everybody say hi. We are going to Erin-ijesha, and these are the faces. Say hi. Wave, Joe. Everybody say hi. Everybody show.
Nysc is here.
Say hi. Who is there again? See this girl. I said, walk clothes. See her. Say them to that. So say hi. Say hi. Why are you saying that kind of hi for my vlog? Better. So guys, we'll catch you up and we'll show you how it is going. We are here. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like that? Did you say hi the other time? See the faces of the Erin-ijesha people. See their faces. We are there. See that mountain, gosh, like, I don't know. That
I love this. Hello.
So yeah, we are at the gate. We have to pay before we enter, each and every one of us. So that's what we are just doing here, hanging around before we pay the little fee. I think 1,000 naira per head before we get inside. So enjoy. Life and direct.
It's like we are in for work today. It's not all again, it's work.
No, nah, show me.
Yeah?
The video I'm watching.
Hey, this is not small.
Oh yeah, princess. Oh yeah, we going. Ooh, see this water. Ooh la la. This is beautiful. Oh, I'm here doing vlog. Oh yeah, sorry. We going. Hey, see Princess slay to Erin-ijesha. She's slaying to Erin-ijesha. And now we are trekking. See, we are ready like Christmas chicken. See Mo. See everybody. They've left us. Yeah, this is where I'm looking for. Motu, do this place with your phone. So we began our journey in getting to the spot of the waterfall. We didn't get to the 7th spot actually because nobody even used to get there. It's dangerous. We got to the 3rd. My brothers and sisters, if you are going for this kind of tour, especially this Erin-ijesha that I experienced, I urge you in the name of the Lord, please eat. Eat something and be strong. Make sure you are capable before you go. Once beaten, twice shy. Because even 2 days after coming back from the tour, I cannot still feel my leg. Like I am tired. I am exhausted. not die. But let me not tell you. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Then you see where your strong girl fell flat on the floor. Big girl in the mud.
Oh, Jesus. Don't put your body on me. I'm not going. I'm not going. In the mud. They've gone in the front. We are still here. No, let's not here first.
Let's do water there.
No, let's do this one first. Yes. Let's do video and move. Oh yeah, let me do wait and do video. Let me show me. I'm tired, but still. We will do this. What about you? I'm sweating, but still. We have to do this. The model. I'm sorry. We know you are tired, but sorry. We have to vlog this. She fainted halfway.
You are going to second floor. We'll back you. Get that more than Madam. Okay.
Oh yeah, take your mouth. My baby.
Show her this.
No, she's vlogging together. Your vlogger in the mud. I want to go to Erin-ijesha in the mud. Eat before coming, no. Your vlogger in the mud.
But guys, all I'll say is that God is great. He's great. Immediately they poured this water on my head. Even before we got to this floor, I got well. Like I was very, very okay. Can you see the greatness of God? The water does not have a source. Like where it is coming from is dropping. My fellow core members, they got to the 5th or 6th floor thereabout, and they were saying it was just dropping bit by bit. The water was just dropping, and this is just the fullest place. Like this is the place where the water is rushing so much. This is the 3rd level we got to, and your girl is doing fine. Okay, I can jump around, I can dance around. Like it's just a mystery. God is just good. I'm just glad that I can have the fun I came for. Well, enjoy watching. I hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. Like, the water is mysterious, like I said. The more we shout, the more the water becomes. Like, it keeps gushing and rushing. We don't know the source. They tried to find out. They even saw people that came to pray at the other floors, the other levels, like the 5th, the 6th. It was just all fun. People came from all over, from Ibadan, from schools and all. Both adults, both young people, old, everybody were there and we had fun. I wanted to say take me back there, but no, I'm screaming it so hard. I'm not going back there. I don't even pray to go back there. The stress is not here. For watching this video, thank you. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe before you log out, before you sign out. I love you all. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. See you in the next one and enjoy the pictures. Bye.